Got a good one for you this week. Are you ready? Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. My name's Tom Dyer and today's move looks like this. Oh! Ooh. Now what I like about this move is you need to swing your arms. You're gonna swing, and as you release the shaker, you're gonna throw the bottle up, you catch and switch the shaker, and then you snatch the bottle. It's a very flowy move. So we're gonna go shadow pass with that shaker. So as you see, we're doing a circle towards, I'm holding on to the shaker here and allowing it to just release into a shadow pass. Whoopsie! As I release, you see how I bring the bottle down to here, and that's gonna be ready for the next part because I wanna throw that bottle up for a flat throw like this. Because as I do a shadow pass, I'm switching with this shaker, holding that in tennis grab. So I'm gonna do switch, okay? And as that shaker comes across here, okay, that bottle is down there. I'm gonna throw that bottle up, catch that shaker like this, and land that bottle inside the shaker there. Matches in this. Release, switch, switch, nest. So you're gonna end up in this position. One more time. Release, switch, switch, nest. Now, release, switch, switch, nest. Now from here, you're just gonna go like this, pour, and then you're gonna grab with these two fingers, turn it over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you slowly pour into the other shaker. Thumbs down, palms away, grab hold of it, turn your hands out so palms are facing up. You can do a little wind up. Release, switch, switch, snatch. Turn it over, grab, turn, pour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you very much. That is the shadow switcheroony to the pori-wari. Yes, I know the names are amazing, but let me know what you think it should be called instead. Anyway, that was this week's 3 Minute Thursday. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what kind of moves you want to see on other 3 Minute Thursday videos. But until then, see you next week.